Hello again, welcome to your latest weather update from the Met Office. We do have some pretty wet and windy weather to push across southern parts as we go through Saturday night, all due to this area of low pressure and its associated fronts. This is pushing its way in from the Atlantic and going to spread across southern parts as we go through Saturday night into Sunday morning. Taking a closer look at the detail, and you can see that rain then spilling in from the southwest, spreading across much of central southern England and also Wales. A little bit of uncertainty as to just how far north that rain is going to make it, but it is going to be quite heavy for some of us, perhaps up to 30 millimetres in some places. So the risk of a little bit of localised surface water flooding issues in prone spots. A drier picture further south though, still some outbreaks of showery rain with some hill snow for parts of Scotland. Could see 1 to 2 centimetres of snow accumulating over the highest ground here. Notice a northerly wind across parts of Scotland. As a result, temperatures are going to take quite a bit of a drop. In some prone spots will fall below freezing, so some frost and some icy patches to watch out for first thing on Sunday morning, whilst in the south a milder picture here because of that cloudy, wet and windy weather. Now, if we zoom out for a second, and you can see that the weather system bringing the unsettled weather in the south will clear away towards the east as we go through Sunday, with then high pressure building from the northwest. That's going to settle our weather down for a time, and it's also going to lead to cold Arctic air plunging its way southwards across the UK. So temperatures are going to take quite a drop as we go through the end of the weekend and into Monday. Taking a closer look at the detail, and you can see, yes, a cloudy, wet and windy start for southern parts on Sunday morning. But as I mentioned, that system clears away towards the east, and so it will turn drier into the afternoon, staying fairly cloudy for many of us though, with the best chance of any sunshine likely to be towards the far north of Northern Ireland and across parts of Scotland too. Here I am expecting some sunny spells. Also a few showers, and these could still be a little bit wintry, so some further sleet or snow possible over the highest ground of Scotland. Temperatures though on Sunday markedly down compared to Saturday. Because of that cold Arctic air, we are going to see temperatures in some places in the north struggle to mid-single figures, and in the south, yes, it'll be a touch milder, but only highs of around 12 or 13 Celsius towards the southwest. It's worth factoring in that thick cloud, and those brisk northerly winds will add to the chilly feel to things. Through the end of the day on Sunday, the cloud is actually going to break up a little bit, and so we're going to see some clear spells developing, and overnight it's going to be largely dry, the showers dying out, and so a mostly dry and often clear picture. As a result, those clear skies combined with that cold Arctic air means we are going to see temperatures dropping pretty low. In the south, there will be a touch of frost. Further north, the frost will be more widespread and pretty harsh, temperatures falling several degrees below freezing here. Some further icy patches in the north as we go through Monday morning. Through Monday itself then, yes, a cold, frosty start for many of us, but actually it's looking largely fine. Watch out for a few showers down North Sea coastal parts and 1 or 2 in the southwest too. And later we may see some rain reaching towards Shetland, but otherwise plenty of fine sunny weather to be had. That being said though, temperatures are still going to be on the low side, similar to Sunday, and so most places ranging from mid to high single figures or perhaps just about getting into double digits in the south, though the sunny skies will make it feel perhaps a little bit more pleasant. Now I do hope you're able to make the most of the fine weather on Monday, because things are going to turn a bit more unsettled, a bit more changeable as we go through the rest of the week, but temperatures should pick up a little bit. There's more information on all that on our social media channels, our website and our app. I'll see you later.